Okay, so this is going to be another quick video, and this is the airflow meter from the Celica. I've been getting an engine management light coming on and an error code saying it's lean on a certain bank. I can't remember exactly now. So one of the suggestions I've seen online is that your airflow meter may be dirty. So I'm going to give it a bit of a clean. I've got some MAF airflow sensor cleaner. Always use this stuff. Never use brake cleaner or things like that. You'll destroy your airflow meter. So let's just give it a bit of a spray and see if any dirt comes out of it. It does look quite dirty, quite black. A little bit cleaner. I don't want to actually touch it with any cloths or anything. Hopefully this should get rid of the engine management light and the error code. If it doesn't, then it is something else. But I didn't want to purchase another airflow meter just yet. I just thought I'd give it a clean first. But I did notice as well the actual rubber seal has perished. So I have got some more in my little O-ring kit. So I'm going to replace that because that may have been causing unmetered air getting through as well. That may have given a false reading. Also, when I did the OBD2 check with my little, I think it's a little app I've got, the airflow meter reading wasn't actually going across properly. It was just stuttering. So this hopefully will cure that as well. But just a general spray. Not too much dirt coming, a little bit coming out there. You can just see there's some dirt coming out of it. So I don't think it takes much to actually stop it from working. Okay, so what I'll do is I think I'm going to let that sit and dry. Just wipe off around there. Replace the rubber seal like I said. Put it back on the car, and then hopefully that will have cured the problem. But yeah, I think for the sake of, I think it was about £8 for that airflow meter cleaner. Hopefully that will have solved the problem. I'll probably do another update video on this next week to see if it has actually cured this problem. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like the video. Drop me a comment below if you've had this sort of problem before on your Celica. And I'll see you in the next video.